Hi, Gales and guys. It's Chris Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and we're just doing analysis this time out. I haven't done this in a while. It's actually been, let me get back to the front here. It's actually been a month since I've done this. And let me refresh. Just for various reasons. I've got a new computer, got a new job. So that's been taking up a lot of time. Good job, but we're still going to work away at this stuff and get it going. So I just want to kind of look at a 28-day outlook, just to the fact that I haven't touched this in like a month. And I put this filter for 28 days. And according to this, the views haven't really changed much since I've been gone. I haven't posted any videos until recently. I just posted a couple past week, and impressions are down, but so it's right. It's quality over quantity. So it looks like impression click rate is going up. So that's cool. And then it's just steady as she goes. No real big changes in a month. So I'm pretty happy with that, to the fact that I didn't really post any new videos or anything. So that's cool. That's fine. Let's look at the 7 days. And really, it's nothing, it's nothing to write home about. I say that a lot, don't I? There's nothing to write home about. You can see the difference in 90 days. This is when I was adding a bunch of content. And then this is where I stopped. So it should go up again fairly soon. All right, engagements. Oh, that's cool. Watch time's gone up 467%. I did an unboxing video. I think that did it. That really raised the viewing duration. Excuse me. So that's that. I'm just going to show you the website. Again, I haven't touched this in a month. So it really is the same as it always has been. Nothing has really changed. So it's just business as usual. I'm just going to keep adding content. This is my MediaHelper.com website. This is my T website. So things have gone up. So I've added some articles to this. So page views are up. And yeah, I'm going to keep adding articles as I go on this. So it's going to be a gradual process. I'm just going to close that out. This is the Kayak site. This is the site I use for all my trainings. And again, there's 3 articles on there. And there's really not a big change. I just need to keep adding content on there. And now that I'm back, now that I have the new computer, and I'm head first into the new job, I do have 3 days off a week, so I'll be able to work on this stuff a lot. I was going to look at Twitter. This finally Twitter. This finally evened out. So it was like at some weird percentage, like 30,000% or something. But I haven't been tweeting anything for a month, so it kind of evened out on there. Gave me more of an idea of what I'm actually getting instead of it going up 30,000%. So that's cool on that. And I actually have to add some content on all my social media. Nothing big here. No big engagements or anything. So I just keep adding content on here. I do have something new though that I'm going to be working. I'm going to be adding. That's crap. I'm going to be adding a LinkedIn channel. So I created a LinkedIn channel here, a business channel, and then I'm just going to start putting my old content on there and just building this up and just putting all my old videos on there and stuff, just like I have on Facebook and Twitter. And we'll see how that goes. And we'll add that to our weekly videos or our bi-weekly videos or whatever the case may be. But yep, that's a quick analysis at our analytics this time out. No big change, nothing, nothing catastrophic or anything. So I'm just going to keep, I'm actually going to make shorter videos because those seem to generate more views. So I'm not going to do training videos until the new year. All right, Gales and guys, thank you for checking out the video. It's full steam ahead as normal, and I'm just going to keep adding quality content. That's all I can do at this point, and just try to make it better. And that's all I can do. And just let make content people want to see, and we'll see if the numbers go up or not. It's been what, since late September, and we're December 16th right now. So it's been 2-3 months here. So we've done a lot in 2-3 months. So I'm pretty happy about that. So thank you very much. Please like, share, or subscribe below. I would appreciate you. It'd help the channel a lot. And I will catch you next time. Happy holidays. Hopefully I'll do another one of these before Christmas comes. All right, take care. Bye.